Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sennheiser AMBEO Soundbar MAX and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this soundbar not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's not pairing with your device, if it's not syncing with the app, any issues like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The other reason is if you just want to set this up as a new soundbar, getting a fresh start can let you do this, and it'll be like it just came out of the box. Now you can actually do this straight from the app, but some of the reasons you might want to do this might be that it's not responding. So I'm going to show you how to actually do it without the app, straight from the hardware. So you'll need to have a paper clip or something like that, and if we come around to where all of the jacks and plugs are, you'll see that there's this recessed reset hole right here. And with power to the unit, all you need to do is put your paper clip or something like that in there and press and hold, and it's a long press, for more than 2 seconds. So if you do hold it like 2 to 3 seconds and then release, this will initiate a factory reset of this device. Just wait a minute or so for it to go through the process, and then you can go ahead and turn it on and set it up like a brand new soundbar.